If you have invoice PDFs sitting in Google Drive and you need the data in Google Sheets, this workflow is much faster than rebuilding everything by hand. In this video, I'm using text-to-table converter and the image-to-table workflow to extract invoice data from two PDF files. First, I open Image-to-Table. Then, instead of uploading files from my computer, I choose the PDFs directly from Google Drive. Here, I'm selecting two invoice PDFs. Once the files are loaded, I can review the available pages and get them ready for extraction. Before I extract, I click Apply Column Formats. This step is important because invoices usually mix different kinds of data in the same table. Applying column formats helps the extracted output stay cleaner and more consistent. Now I click Extract. The add-on reads the selected invoice PDFs. After extraction, I review the formatting and structure carefully. This is where I check whether the columns make sense, whether amounts were recognized correctly, and whether the rows stayed aligned the way I expect. The goal is to end up with spreadsheet data that is actually usable. Now the invoice data is in a format that is easy to sort, filter, total, validate, and combine with other records. This is a practical workflow for bookkeeping, invoice review, vendor records, and any process where PDF tables need to become editable spreadsheet data.